Meghalaya'S Chief Electoral Officer D R Tiwari declared the state's readiness for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections set for the 19th of April 2024. Today, individuals actively involved in the electoral process assembled at designated spots for the deployment to polling stations throughout Meghalaya.
UDRC supply mo ng road. Report niya po, UDRC supply mo ng road. Officer Malka, receive protection of flag.
ABC 293, Vicky Thapa. Please report to motion.
ML05K, R. Santan.
In respect to the polling in Meghalaya, today is P-2 day and polling parties are getting dispersed for their respective polling station in all the districts. So all the needful arrangement has been made for their stay. They can reach in time and polling state slightly less. So and polling parties are almost getting dispersed for their respective polling station in all the districts. So each polling station, if you see as per the number of each and every polling party is the same, so accordingly the polling personnel are arranged as per the polling station wise, and they all are ready, they dispersed and they are on the way to their respective polling stations. Some might be reached also. So we are getting the report from the district. It doesn't matter the distance in the length. It is in view of the road condition, difficulty, terrain. Some might be they have to walk several kilometers. So all those criteria has been taken while deciding the which polling station will be P-2. So it is a progressive figure in each and every election time. We assess that through the sector magistrate, and based on their report, so which polling station, it means that they can reach in time and then revert back. So some polling station we can't take any risk. So polling parties are dispersed in advance. So those are the polling stations, are P-2 polling station, and rest for example, you see the Kamsing polling station in Amlaram. So there the polling party have to go by boat. So they have to move in advance, like Kalatek in the Sela area and several other polling stations. This Nongriat side where they have to go by track to this very famous area for the living root bridges, the double-decker bridge, and such the difficult terrain. The people used to, our polling parties used to go in advance.